Hello, in this video we're going to be going through our favourite hot sauces and crispy chili oils and a few ways to use them. I'm Ross, the chef here at Sous Chef. I've also brought Kristin, our cookware buyer and all-round chili fanatic, to help me taste a few different chili products and just give you a few ideas on how to use them in different dishes. Okay, so we're going to start with tasting a few of the products. The first one we'll start with in this kind of category is the crispy chili oils. You know, that's something that's really on trend at the moment. We may as well start with this sort of the original one, the LGM from China. This is a fantastic product. You've used this quite a bit in a few different products.
I've never run out of it.
Yeah, it is fantastic. This is someone's like introductory level to chili oils. The texture of this one in particular is great. How they keep the chilies and the garlic so crispy is amazing. But we may as well get stuck into it and try a little bit of it. The ratio of crispy garlic, chili and stuff is really good. It goes a long way as well and adds a real nice texture to your dishes.
It's so good.
It's nice, isn't it? And it's not overbearingly strong with chili, so it's pretty mellow. So if you wanted to use it, you know, I quite like this on avocado on toast with eggs on top. A bit of that on there. You know, it's really nice. It's got a great texture to it. Well, a big bit of chili. Moving on, we've come to our next one, Poons chili. This is a great product, London-based company. This one is their original chili oil.
That's so nice.
It's good, isn't it? Super fragrant, that one. You can tell the different ingredients in there. You know, you can really taste that in there. That's got a really like perfumey sort of taste to it as well.
I really like that one. It's different from the LGM because it doesn't have the same crisp in the same way.
Yeah.
So the sediment or the bits inside it are a bit softer.
Yeah, and the oil itself is super fragrant. You know, even just having that in noodles or things like that as well. You know, it's fantastic for sure. Moving on, we've now got Kitchen. This is a fantastic London-based company. This one in particular is the crispy garlic chili oil with beef. I've not actually tried this one, but you're pretty familiar with it, aren't you, Kristin?
This is quickly become a core piece in my kitchen. But it's got like pieces of little beef jerky in it.
Oh, nice.
And it's absolutely delicious.
Wow. Big garlic, isn't it? You can taste the garlic in it. That's amazing.
You can taste the little beef pieces in there as well. You get a little chewy.
No, that's really good. It's super strong, like in a nice way. The garlic, it's like beautifully roasted garlic. That's lovely. This would be fantastic. Maybe like a laksa, something like that. Or even a nice bowl of ramen that would add that, especially the garlic notes in there would taste amazing in there. So that's a fantastic product. Moving on to another one of theirs, they actually have, this is their Szechuan chili crisp. Like, I personally really like Szechuan pepper and I like it in cooking. It's such a hit of umami as well. It's like that salty savouriness in there as well. It's beautiful.
It really hits the spot for when you want that umami kick.
If you like your spice, that's fantastic. You know, if you want something a little bit milder, maybe LGM is a bit more up that street. Okay, bringing us on to our next product, another great company based out of Ireland, Mausu. The first one I'm going to be looking at is their black bean ryu. Now, this one for me is one of my personal favourites. I absolutely love this.
I don't think I've actually tried the black bean one. I've tried the peanut one that they also have.
Yeah.
But the black bean one that's new to me.
It's really good. It's good.
It's like quite a different flavour profile.
It is, yeah. It's like that super, almost like miso-like umami from the black beans. That's a fantastic product. A little bit different than the crispy chili crisp. It's a little bit less of a crunchy texture, right?
Yeah.
More of the black beans in there, but fantastic flavour. And even just that tossed through some noodles. If you want a quick, simple dinner, super easy. Bit of tahini in there, maybe.
I feel like texture-wise, it's almost between the LGM and the Yep and Poons one.
Yeah.
So it's not quite as soft as those, but it still has that little bit of crisp.
Yeah, exactly that. Exactly. A super big hit of umami, which is great. Moving on to another product from Mausu is this is their smoky chili oil. I haven't personally tried this one, so I'm keen to actually try it out because I've tried all their other products. This one's new to me as well. So what about you? Have you tried this one? Or?
I have tried this one before, yes.
Great. Well,
I do quite like it.
I'll let you go first.
I'm a big fan of smoke and smoky flavors, so this is definitely right up my street.
Oh wow! Wow. The amount of smoke they've got in there is very impressive. They're really good.
Yeah.
Hot.
That was hotter.
But that like really, really tasty with the smoke in there. That was nice. Nice amount of saltiness in there as well. I mean, I like my salt in food, but that's
no, I definitely do too.
really good. Nice salty flavour to it. Yeah, so that's their smoky chili oil. And what's the last one we've got here? Ah,
I think it's the peanut ryu.
Yeah, the peanut ryu.
That's
this is
the big hitter.
Big hit. It kind of kicked them off. Again, it's more of the chili crisp vibe, this one, isn't it? With the garlic, the shallots and the chilies in there as well. Bit of peanuts, bit of sesame. Yeah, I love this one, so.
I just love the crunch of peanuts in there.
The sesame's great as well. Anything with sesame seeds, I'm sold on straight away. But no, that's really good. And again, you know, that would be amazing on top of gyozas or something like that. You know,
that would be absolutely delicious.
Nice bit of ponzu on the side to dip it in. That would be unreal. It is great, and they look great as well, don't they?
Oh, absolutely.
They're beautiful, beautiful packaging. No, they're fantastic. They've all got their own individual spaces in the kitchen, you know, and they all have their own individual uses, and it's just kind of really working out which ones you like for yourself, you know. So moving on to a different kind of category we're going in for would be, I suppose, almost like chili dipping sauces sort of category to go into. We've got a few options with us today. This one in particular is great. It's Payst. It's made by a restaurant in London, Farang. So they're a Thai-based restaurant, and these are all Thai-style dipping sauces or stir-fry sauces, kind of things that you could add to your dishes to kind of bring them to that next level. So this first one is a ginger sweet green chili sauce. But yeah, I'm keen to try this. Probably the easiest way to pour it, maybe. Oh, that's really good.
Yeah, you can really taste the ginger in there.
Yeah, the ginger's unreal. I mean, that would be amazing as any dipping sauce, you know.
Absolutely.
Spring rolls, gyozas, anything like that would be unreal for that, for sure. Well, I mean, the next one is their classic sweet chili sauce. It started off strong, so I can only assume it's going to continue that way as well. That is nice.
It's a bit sweeter than this one, and I think it's because of the ginger, because the ginger adds a bit of a kick on the green one. Yeah,
it is sweeter for sure. I mean, someone that would love, say, you know, a chili sauce to go in your stir fry, that would be great for that.
Absolutely.
You know, again, a dipping sauce would be fantastic for it. Yeah, the contrast in flavour differences, you know, is very apparent, right? They're two completely different. I mean, brilliant in their own way, but two completely different products, you know. Now, the one that I'm really keen to try is their burnt chili sauce. Again, they describe it as a mild flavour, so let's see how it goes. That's got a really nice texture to that sauce as well, hasn't it? Really, it's like velvety, really, really good.
To me, it reminds me almost a little bit of ivar, like the roasted red pepper.
Yeah, it is that,
thing. It has a bit of that sort of sweetness, and I think it comes from the burnt chili as well. Yeah,
and that's really mild as well. Like,
that's very mild, definitely.
Yeah, but they're fantastic, and again, all individually brilliant on their own, you know, with their different flavour profiles and different uses, you know. So yeah, very.
I feel like the creaminess in this one would go really nicely with noodles as well.
Oh, 100%, yeah.
That would be really very nice just to get it quite thick.
Moving on to next product is Conbini, another Irish hot sauce. Something we see Ireland are producing some fantastic hot sauces at the moment. I mean, the packaging on this looks great as well. So yeah, keen to try this one. This is actually new for me. I haven't tried this one. Have you tried this?
Yeah, I did try these when we brought them on. They were very, very nice.
Very nice. It looks good. Almost like a sweet chili consistency to it.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's really good.
That's nice.
Acidity.
It's a bit more vinegary than your traditional sweet chili.
It's the first thing that hits you, right? Nice bit of acid and then the warminess after. That's really good. A little bit fermented as well, a little bit funky. That's nice.
Absolutely.
I like that. Well, they've started off strong. That's really good. Named the same company again, Katsu Ketchup. That's interesting. I'm definitely keen to try this one.
Oh, it's amazing.
Yeah, bacon sandwich. Pretty good. This one seems like a nice thick sauce consistency. That's really good.
It's so good. It's great with a fried egg as well.
That would be really good, yeah. Fried egg, avocado toast, that sort of vibe. That's really tasty. Moving on to another product. Another firm favourite in the office for sure is Chimac Korean hot sauce. This is a company out of Dublin in Ireland. I believe they're a chicken-based shop doing, you know, fried chicken, burgers, wings and stuff. So, you know, the obvious thing straight away that this is fantastic for is, you know, chicken wings. They do a few other options as well. This is my personal favourite, the Korean flavours, because you don't often see a huge amount of Korean hot sauces, but like that whole fermented vibe with their, you know, the gochujang in there, that's really up my street. So I really like these. But packaging's fantastic as well, right? It looks really smart. Looks really smart in your fridge as well. Like, good consistency to it, this one, isn't it? It's not too thin. It's like kimchi vibes, isn't it? You know, that fermented-y sort of.
Yeah, like, I love that fermented
peppery tanginess to it. I mean, that straight away is ready to rock and roll. Chuck some wings, toss it, and that would be unreal. Even like an omelette sort of style of things as well, you know. I personally love scrambled egg on toast with hot sauce. Like I always do that. Like it's really, really good. But that's really interesting, yeah. Even mixed through mayo, you know, like a Korean sort of hot sauce mayo would be banging with that as well. All right, moving on again. This is one of my personal favourites. Cholula. It is one of the OGs in the hot sauce world game, you know. The traditional Mexican style hot sauce, buffalo wings, that sort of vibe, you know. Cheese toasties, unreal with this in there. Scrambled egg, again, unreal with these things in there. I personally love it. I think you're probably pretty familiar with this as well, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It feels like a very iconic hot sauce from Mexico.
It's the acidity for me. Like it's like the chili vinegar they have in there. Love it. It just brings a big boost of acidity and spice, which I love. Okay, moving on to our next product. You guys are probably familiar with this product. You know, Flying Goose is probably one of the biggest faces when it comes to their hot sauce category. But we've got a few interesting ones. I'm pretty keen to see what some of these taste like as well. We may as well start with, you know, the original sriracha sauce. Most people are probably familiar with this. Pretty common around the world. And what I love about sriracha is not just chili. You know, you've got the garlic flavours in there. You've got the roasted spices. It's fantastic. It's a go-to sauce for me. And it's not too spicy, you know. It's a nice acidity, nice saltiness, nice fermented chili flavour. It's a go-to favourite of mine for sure.
Very nice.
Perfect for like ramens, laksas, anything like that. Anything that you just want to add a nice bit of extra heat or an extra bit of roasted garlic flavour to is fantastic for sure.
I think it's great because of the nozzle on the bottle as well. They're very easy to drizzle.
Exactly that.
So it's perfect to get kind of an even drizzle.
That. And then what the other product they have as well is their yuzu one. Haven't tried this, so I'm keen. I mean, yuzu is very in fashion at the moment. You know, everything is something with yuzu, which I mean, I'm all for. I love the product. You know, it's fantastic. So keen to see what this one comes out like. It's a bit spicier, that one, isn't it? It's got a bit more of a chili kick to it. That's definitely spicier, which is nice.
Oh, absolutely. This one is much milder than the yuzu. I thought they were going to be the same with just yuzu, but actually this one is...
Yeah, that's it. So if you like your spice a bit more, maybe go for the yuzu style sriracha. You know, it adds a nice big punch to your food. Yeah, but again, beautiful with the garlic in there, the same as the other ones. Fantastic. Yep. On the chili vibes, you may as well move on to the green chili one. It's a completely different flavour profile to the red chili sauce, you know. It's fantastic. It's a super fresh, this one I like. It's good, that, isn't it?
It's so nice.
It is, yeah.
This one has actually almost replaced my standard bottle of sriracha in the fridge at home.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
No, it's really good. Beautiful salt levels in there as well. It's super tasty. The red one is, you know, it's a staple in most shops in the UK, right? The yuzu and the green are a little bit less common to see, but, you know, they're great products for sure.
Yeah, it's great on roasted veg as well.
Yeah, I bet, yeah. That would be fun. Yeah, nice, roasted veg. That would add such a good flavour to it for sure. And then the final one that we've got of the Flying Goose is actually their hoisin sauce. It is really good. I always like combining the hoisin with a bit of sriracha because I just like my spice in food, you know. And hoisin is nice, but it's a sweet flavour.
I'll say it's nice to combine that sweetness with the spice as well.
Definitely. Nice little stir fry. Bit of hoisin, bit of the sweet chili, bit of the sriracha if you like it a bit more spicy. You know, it's not super easy. Like, you can create such an easy stir fry or noodle-based dish, which is with most of these products, really.
Absolutely.
You know, it's an easy thing to add.
It's easy flavor, but because everything is so different flavor-wise as well, like you can especially tell when you're tasting after each other like this. Like, I could genuinely see a reason to buy every single one of these. Exactly. But you can actually combine. Like, you don't have to just use one. You know, you can have a bit of sweetness. Like, you have the Payst ones with the sweet chili and the green chili and ginger with some of the spicier ones, and you just create a really nice flavor profile.
Okay, moving on to our final product that we have for today is Thiccc Sauces. Do you want to kind of tell us a little bit about what their flavours are like?
Absolutely. So Thiccc Sauces was born in lockdown. So Luca is based in Leeds. He started cooking and making sauces in his mom's kitchen, and his friends and family absolutely loved them, and the demand grew, and here we are, as end up with a whole sauce company. And he's even done some collaborations. I'm gonna sneak one here that we have as well. He's done a collaboration with Honest Burger, so this is a bourbon barbecue sriracha. And they also come with this really nice wax seal. Yeah, they're beautiful. Just makes it look beautiful, and they're really, really lovely sauces. It's got a few different flavors as well. So we can start with the honey butter Louisiana.
Ooh. got me a little bit there. That is, that's good though. That's super smoky, right?
It's very smoky.
Yeah, it's that acidic chili vinegar thing. Very tasty. And there's nice little sweetness in that too.
Yeah. Next up, we have the Texas style sweet and smoky barbecue.
I like how the bottle stays nice with the wax, right?
Yeah.
Even when you're taking it off. That looks really smart. That's really good.
You can really taste the honey.
That's like McDonald's barbecue sauce on steroids. Do you know what I mean? Like, if McDonald's barbecue sauce was really good, that's what it would taste like.
I love the sweetness in this as well.
Yeah, really good.
But
It's actually got a little bit of spice in there as well. It's
Yeah,
really
absolutely.
Good,
but you still get that smokiness for
Ribs.
the barbecue.
Unreal with that. That would be so good. So good.
Right, and the last one we have is the bourbon barbecue sriracha, which is a collaboration with Honest Burger.
Nice
You
kick
can
to
taste
that.
the bourbon.
It builds, but that's really nice spice. I mean, if you like your heat, that's great. That would be, again,
Absolutely.
dirty fries, anything like that would be fantastic with that. We've tasted some amazing products today for sure. There's been a whole range of products. So it's all about working out which is your favourite sauce, how you like to cook with it, and ultimately what your favourites are. So yeah, thanks for watching.
All the products we've tried today are linked below if you want to pick any of them up. And if you want to see more videos on ingredients and cookware, please subscribe.